Guys, what is up? Welcome back for our next episode of Animals Under Fire. I've got a really awesome episode, and I say episode because this thing is a monster at 20 plus minutes long, but I did that because it deserves to be that long. You need to see the entire process, and yeah, so you're just gonna deal with it. So this piece is actually made in two different studios. We're gonna be making, let me move over, we're gonna be making a full-size dragon, like you can see right here, that goes on a dragon egg made by my friend Chris Skibbe. And this whole thing is gonna be put together at the Glass Spot for their Third Thursday event. Really quick on the Glass Spot. The Glass Spot is an amazing studio. I pretty much grew up there. After I graduated VCU in 2007, there was no place to work in Richmond, Virginia, and the Glass Spot literally opened up right as I graduated, so I immediately just started renting time there. And this video, we are celebrating their 12th anniversary in Richmond, so truly a feat, and it's truly the heart of the glass community here in Richmond, Virginia. So sit back, relax, and watch a Third Thursday dragon come to life. Roll it!
Race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like a holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Yeah, break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, please don't take that powder, you don't got no reason. Moving on top of mountains, homie got trapped, no breathing. Boo-boo in my cabin, she done met the challenge. Way back in my village, all my homies battling. Way back in my village, I get up like salmon. Yeah, turn up in your city, I don't need no package. Ratchets trying to reach me with the FUBU jacket. Run up with the silver and you know I jack it. I finna rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins. Calling me Teddy Adrenaline. I tell my homies I'm veteran. They don't know nothing about the man. Oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Yeah, break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, okay, got you. Tryna get up, I'ma wife you. I don't know nothing about you. Calling the shots, I'ma write you. Smoking a cookie, that's what I do. Breaking the audio on auto-tune. Kicking my bars, let them bite you. Tryna evolve like I'm right you. Saying same in a different way. All of my haters, they hate away. I swear I don't have nothing to say. With all of this cash in my company, I'm on the way to my mansion. Calling my label to cancel. I don't have time for no questions, I just had time for the answers. Race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Yeah, break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah.
have seen. You were no good, and I was no better. Basking in your spotlight, too blind to see. It was a case of mistaken identity. I thought you were my love. A clear case of mistaken identity. I thought
Skibbe, torch a little bit the dragon. See the wings as they come around. Yeah, we are. That thing just turns slow towards there, everyone. Open the part. You get this part where this could be like the award for, I don't know, some Game of Thrones award. Cool as shit. See what you got. Watch this paddle coming around. Yep.
Holy, that's hot. I see it.
Alright, last flash down.
Oh, I can't watch.
Watch! You gotta watch!
I can't. I get so nervous.
Wings up. One more. Go. Just for fun.
Just
Wings up. Alright, you got it, Chris. 1, 2, 3.
You come around late at night, looking for some arms to hug and hold you tight. Well, I've got two of those, strong as they can be. Still don't expect no more than good, clean fun, you see. It's not love, but it's the best I can do. What you
All right, guys, that is it. I want to thank the Glass Spot. I want to thank Chris Skibbe. I want to thank my guys. I want to thank my wife for filming most of this amazing video that you guys just watched. I want to also thank you guys for watching this monster video, 20 plus minutes. You guys are heroes. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the video, if you want to see something else, or you want to go back to the other way. We're just kind of still experimenting and seeing what is hitting with people and what people like to watch and consume. So let me know what you think, and have a good one, and I'll see you next week on Animals Under Fire. See ya.
in plain